Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Important question, is now a good time to be buying some Shiba Inu? Guys, I'm going to break this down with you, hopefully guide you on your journey, and then you can figure out if you want to buy now or wait or whenever you want to do it. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I'm going to show you some charts that will guide you, like seriously, because I'm seeing some interesting things. Look for a great opportunity to be buying some Shiba Inu. Now, before I go any further, I need to let you know I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. When people look at SHIB, and I'm assuming the average person would come over to something like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, come down here and look at this chart here. And it's not bad. It's a line chart, so you can get a good insight as to where the price is, where it's been, where it is. But you need to dive deeper, and this is where I'm going to bring up some technical analysis, show you what I see. I've got two charts I want to show you, but this one's important. So let's start with this. I have this is TradingView for those that are new watching, and it is really simple once you know what you're looking for. Okay, I'm using a moving average line, which is this red line here called the moving average, and it's on the daily time frame. So up here you can see it says 1D. You see, and it's the length is 200, so it's the 200-day moving average. This is usually a significant line. Why? Because if price action is above it, usually it can bounce above it and it can remain bullish. If it's under it, sometimes it can lead to bearish momentum. Now, if you take a look at the price here, when it broke this, it tried to break above it again. We had a fake out. This is what you call a fake out, where price pumps. A couple of days after, it comes back down. And ever since then, the price for SHIB has been struggling to break back above. And you can see here, it was rejected here, it was rejected here, and it tried to get close, and it would have got rejected there. So what I'm saying is that the most important line for Shiba Inu to break right now, to be bullish, is to come right up to this red line and break above it. And if we can see price action, like these green candles, remain above this red line, then it's a great bullish sign. Okay, but until then, where's the best time to be buying this Shiba Inu? Now, when you look underneath, I've got two indicators. My RSI, which is relative strength index, which focuses on buy power and sell power, meaning, is there enough buy pressure? Is the price of Shiba Inu overbought, or is it oversold? And this is what I've been looking for. And again, on the daily time frame, right? 1D. And I've been looking for, the reason I keep stressing time frame is because if you're day trading this, they go to the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. But when you want to be like a long-term investor, you need to look for really key signals as to when you should be buying. And the last time I saw Shiba Inu underneath this line here, the dotted line, because this gives you a ratio, right? And this ratio is 30, 70, right? These dotted lines here, and I'm just going to make it a bit bigger. Let me just focus on this for you. So the ratio, right? So you got this mauve area here, or like a bluish mauvish color, and this is like your ratio. So if the line of the RSI ever goes below these dotted lines here, it's classed as oversold. Shiba Inu is oversold. That's a great time to buy. And if it's ever been above, right here, like you see here, these dotted lines here, it is overbought. People are buying it too much. There's a chance that it's just going to sell and the price is going to come tumbling down. And that happened twice, right? In this chart here, we can see, and that was these two spike lines here, right? So this is what I'm looking for, and this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. The last time we ever saw it oversold was these two lines here, right? So under here, right back in 24th of May 2021, and the other time was here, the 20th of January 2022. These were the times that the Shiba Inu price peaked underneath this line, and that's what I think we should be waiting for. 1 second, my door. So yeah, that's what I will be waiting for when it comes underneath these lines here. And if you take a look now, the RSI is basically coming down towards this area. And if you look at underneath here, I've got the stochastic RSI. This looks at momentum. So sell pressure when momentum's coming down, and buy pressure is when momentum comes up. How can you tell? Well, you look for the crosses. So when you see a cross with the red line and the blue line, if it starts to come up, it means buy pressure is coming up. And then same thing for if it's selling. If it's selling, you got the red line and the blue line tangle and cross, and then sell pressure comes down. So I believe that there could be a little bit more sell pressure with Shiba Inu coming down, and I think that this blue line on the stochastic RSI, let me bring this down, make it more clear. I believe that this will come down. I think that this will come down and give us an opportunity to be buying this coin when it peaks underneath here. That's what I believe. Right, and that's what I think we should wait for, because that would be the good buying opportunity. And these aren't small buys, buy and pumps. Like when you buy down here and the price pumps, you're looking at a big pump from here to here. You're talking 102% pump. You see what I'm saying? So this is what you want to wait for. And the last buy opportunity where we saw this was a bit of more of a longer extended period of time. But, if you was buying down here, let me get the measuring tool again. If you was buying anywhere down here, even if you call it here, it doesn't matter. And then you waited for this peak, even the first peak, that's a 467% pump. And then obviously the highest one would be 1,293% pump. And those are the gains that you want to make with Shiba Inu. So short and sweet, I'm going to keep it here. I just wanted to show you what I'm looking for. This is what you guys can look for as well. And you can grab this up on TradingView if you want to do so you can keep up to date with these indicators. These are powerful. These are the ones that you want to follow on your journey with Shiba Inu. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you liked it, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Thank you for watching. I got a Patreon. I got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier because this unlocks all my posts. I'm coming down so you can see. This one here. You can see exactly when I buy, when I sell, when I stake, all of that stuff. And my patrons see these videos first, so they're prepared in advance. And if you don't want to miss out, check this out before you make any buy decisions. Again, not investment advice, but it can help you. I got super alerts tier. This gives you access to my VIP Telegram group where I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything. So check that out as well. High crypto profiles in this space who know how to make money. Guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.